Hey, what's going on, Freedomers? In entrepreneurship and relationships, intimate relationships, I've observed, like, from my own family and others, um, your income doesn't have to be the same, but your hustle has to be the same. And meaning you can't be always figuring out how to make money work for you, and you're with a poverty-stricken person. Um, you can't have somebody who refuses to build their craft, but you're always building yours. Because one day the person who's poverty stricken or the person who's very poor minded will see you as the hustle. Or they will leverage the fact that you give them a lifestyle, and if it's toxic, you'll stay together for the lifestyle if that person has benefits on their end. So match your hustle.